By default, LearnDash quizzes don't have a time limit set on them, meaning that students can take as long as they like to go through the quizzes and complete them. But if you do want to enable a time limit, forcing them to complete it in a certain time, what you can do is click on Edit Quiz, assuming you have the permission to be able to edit it. And from here, you can go to Settings. Here, there's a number of different settings for quizzes, but the one we want to enable here is time limit. And we'll just switch that on. And here it says it will automatically submit after X amount of time, hours, minutes, and seconds here. So I could perhaps say they have to do this one within 2 minutes, and then click Save. And then once that's completed, if we view the quiz and start it, we'll notice here that we have a time limit at the top, which is counting down. And if they haven't completed it within that time, it will submit regardless of what point they're at, and that will be classed as their quiz submission.